Imagine a moment of pure tranquility, a place where your mind is free from the chaos of everyday life. What if I told you that place is just a breath away? Today, we're diving into the world of meditation, what it is, and why it's so important. If you've ever thought that meditation is just for monks living in caves, think again. Meditation is a powerful, accessible tool that can benefit both your physical and mental health. Meditation is essentially a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear, emotionally calm, and stable state. In simple terms, meditation is like giving your mind a break. Just as your body needs rest, your mind benefits from moments of stillness and focus. It's about taking a few minutes to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and let go of the constant stream of thoughts. This helps you feel more relaxed and centered. Think of it as defragmenting your mind, organizing your thoughts, and clearing out mental clutter. Meditation is about living in the present moment. When we are depressed, we are often worried about the past, and when we are anxious, we are concerned about the future. The idea is to strike a balance and focus on living in the present. You want to learn to become aware of feelings and sensations and label them, along with any emotions that come up during this practice. Learning to label emotions and feelings, along with being able to clear the mind, will radically improve your life in many ways. Meditation is foundational to personal development and growing oneself. Consistency is important here, so dedicate a few minutes each day to meditating. One of the most common misconceptions about meditation is that it's some mystical practice requiring years of training. In reality, meditation is simple and easily accessible. You don't need to become a monk or live in exile to benefit from it. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can experience the best results. It's a versatile practice that can help with a variety of issues, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving concentration and overall well-being. Meditation has greatly improved my life. I've used it to build awareness and defragment my brain, leading to reduced anxiety and depression. It's a simple yet powerful tool that many people overlook because it seems too simple. But sometimes, the simplest practices can have the most radical impacts. Let's look at some facts and stats about meditation. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, regular meditation can reduce stress levels by up to 30%. A meta-analysis published found that mindfulness meditation programs can help reduce symptoms of anxiety by 60%. Research from Johns Hopkins University suggests that meditation can alleviate symptoms of depression, with individuals reporting up to a 50% reduction. Top benefits of meditation: reduces stress, controls anxiety, promotes emotional health, enhances self-awareness, lengthens attention span, can generate kindness, improves sleep, helps control pain, can decrease blood pressure. So, if you're looking to improve your mental and physical health, why not give meditation a try? Share this video with someone who could benefit from meditation, and comment below to tell us if you are going to start meditating. Life is chaotic. Meditation is your sanctuary. Subscribe now to join our community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth and well-being. Your journey to a better life begins with a single breath. Don't wait. Embrace the power of meditation today.